What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arcway, a new direction of a modern man. And today's video, I'm going to be style breaking down Thierry Henry's style. So Thierry Henry was a soccer player that played for Arsenal, legendary soccer player on the pitch, and I want to break down the style just for you guys. So Thierry Henry is a very classic player, a great striker, scored many points in his career, and when it comes down to his style, as much as it's on the pitch, off the pitch, he always has a professional style. So you see what he's wearing right here on the blue carpet, two-piece suit with the tie, so he looks very clean and elegant. But you can also see when he kind of gets into more tailored fitting items and kind of stuff that's more tapered to his body, you can see how it's slimmed down on his body, giving him a nice casual professional look minus the tie. This kind of presents his professionalism on and off the pitch, especially when he does like TV appearances. He always looks sharp on TV as well. As you can see right here, he's actually taking a picture of Oswald, one of the biggest menswear designers in England. So what he's wearing right there is a blazer, and he got some classic jeans, minimalistic shoes, and standing right beside Oswald. So that's actually quite a big deal as a picture right there. But you can just see how simple he keeps it, how elegant and simple he looks all around. Even when it comes down to back in days when he was playing for Arsenal or he's doing like some appearances, you can see that he always kept it casual, always kept it in a business formal way. So he always presented himself in a great light. You can see he's wearing, looks like a V-neck, but right there, back in the days, it was a little baggier on the pants, baggy pants, and he got the clean white shoes, got the watch, looking sharp. As time goes on, you can start seeing him wear more designer three-piece suits. Especially when it comes into suits, you can start seeing more expanding to more different colors that are more neutral tone, but more or less different patterns as well. So next thing I want to say is that he is a casual dresser. So like I said before, he does a lot of TV appearances, as he does talk about football a lot. That's something that's ingrained with him. When it does come down to a TV presence, he does wear a lot of casual wear, and you can see him right here wearing a cardigan with a nice Oxford blue shirt, a nice presence for TV. You can also see him as he starts expanding into more different things, a lot of more casual looks. If someone out there wants to style themselves like Thierry Henry or want to have that more of a professional look, I'll say a few things off the bat that you would want to go for. Is definitely a cardigan, Oxford white shirt. You can definitely go with some jeans and make sure if they're slim fit, that's your style, or regular fit, whatever you choose of style fit. Just get yourself some nice crisp jeans and some minimalistic shoes, obviously a watch if you want, and actually incorporate a tie into that as well. So one thing I do want you guys to check out is check out the Arcway Instagram, because I'll be posting content on a daily basis. What you'll be seeing is from anything from fashion to style to culture to art, anything that really inspires Arcway as a brand. You guys will just see it from there, and then that way you guys can pick up what you guys like most about it and then apply it to your own style, your own life, your own culture, your own fashion. For someone who wants to style themselves like Thierry Henry, traveling is going to be very important, because it's going to be a day-to-day thing that you're going to be doing. So you're going to have to feel mobile, but at the same time comfortable with what you wear, and stylish too. So like I said before, clean white shoes. You can definitely see the trousers, and then he has a striped shirt with a long raincoat on top of it. So that is something that you guys can incorporate in your style. So it's very easy to take off that water resistant raincoat, and it's actually more easier to take off layers than put them on. So be able to maximize your travels by actually layering up, so you can take it off a lot more easier. The last key point that I'll have for Thierry Henry is that he does have professionalism of a 90s standard, and when it comes down to how he looks and how he keeps his style, he always keeps it clean, he always keeps it fresh. You can definitely see with his grooming, you don't really see his hair growing out that much. He has the beard, which is his aesthetic, but over time, I guess he shaves it, you go for different periods, but his overlook was always been clean, and that is something that was back in the 90s, which I found out was like a staple So that's something I learned about in the 90s of football, that a lot of them had a standard look, and Thierry Henry executed that pretty well with the shaved head, with how he presented himself on game days and his casual wear. So if anyone is out there and they want to dress more casual, wants to dress a little more professional within their life, definitely take some style points from this video. Let me know if they apply to you, and let me know if they actually helped you. If anyone out there wants me style breakdown, anyone they do know, it could be public figure, celebrity, DJ, doesn't matter. You just let me know, put in the comment section down below, and I'll go through those comments and make videos based on those. So I hope you guys found some great content from this video. Hope you found some value out of this. And thank you guys so much for checking out Arcway, a new direction of a modern man. And I'll see you guys in the next video.